we have a super fun video today.
We have a really fun challenge. Basically, we did half of our face with drugstore makeup and the other half with high-end makeup. I did one half, Nora did one half. We have no idea which half the other person did, and at the end, we're gonna show you guys if we get it right.
We're gonna do the big reveal. But for the giveaway for this video, it's the L'Oreal Voluminous Superstar Red Carpet Black Mascara.
Ooh.
I've heard amazing things about this. And a special dose of colors, the powerful pink lip duo.
Cool.
So exciting. So stay tuned.
Let's get to it.
All right, so I'm gonna do my left side with drugstore makeup and my right side with high-end makeup.
I have no idea which side of her face Nora did her high-end and which side she did drugstore. I actually sent her out of the studio so she wouldn't hear what side I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do right side high-end and left side drugstore. So let's do it.
On the left side, I'm gonna use LA Girl matte foundation.
So for my high-end, I'm doing my all-time favorite Chanel Velvet foundation.
Okay, I'm gonna move on to concealer. So for the drugstore concealer, I'm gonna be using CoverGirl. And for the high end, I'm gonna be using NARS. And they're fairly similar in color.
For the drugstore side, I'm gonna do the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Concealer. So far, I would say that there are almost identical sides, but it's still early. For my baking, I'm gonna do Kat Von D on my right side, which is my high-end side. And for the drugstore side, I'm gonna do CoverGirl True Blends powder.
Okay, I'm gonna move on to my eyebrows. For eyebrows, I'm gonna be using CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow, and for the high end, I'm gonna be using my MAC palette. I'm already surprised at some of the stuff I'm using, you guys. Some products are new, so I've never used it before for the drugstore. And Ani and I will give you guys our final thoughts towards the end.
Okay, moving on to eyes. For my high-end side, I'm going to be using the Marvelous Mauves by Dose of Colors. And on my left side, the drugstore side, I'm going to be using the City Mini Palette by Maybelline. As you can tell, it's very similar color shades.
Now mascara time. And I'm going to use the Max Factor 2000 Calorie Dramatic Volume for the left side, which is the drugstore side. And then for the right side, I'm going to use my Lancome Grandiose mascara.
For bronzer, on the high-end side, I'm going to be using the Stila Stay All Day Contouring Bronzer in the color Light. And for the drugstore side, I'm going to be using the Rimmel London Natural Bronzer.
And we're almost done. The blush, we're going to use the Milani and Luminoso and the MAC for the high-end side.
And now, onto lips. For my drugstore side, I'm going to be using the NYX Powder Puff Lippy in Best Buds. This is going to be weird doing half and half. And for the high-end side, the Tom Ford Spanish Pink lipstick. I already know which side of yours is drugstore and which one isn't.
How do you know?
Okay, look at me. Okay, your right side is the high-end.
You're right.
And your left side is a drugstore.
How do you know?
Okay, I only know from one product.
Mascara?
Mascara. And I only know it because as I was doing my mascara, I was like, wow, what a big difference in the mascara.
Yeah.
Because other than that, it looks almost identical.
Yeah, let me see. Damn, I really can't tell.
No?
Because your lashes, your extensions fell off, so like you don't have that much, so
Yeah.
I can't tell that much. So I have to look at other things. Eye colors are the same.
Yeah.
Foundation looks pretty similar. Your under eye, okay, is I don't know. I'm just literally totally gonna guess.
It's almost identical.
Yeah. Drugstore?
Yes.
Okay. You know why I know? The
What?
only reason is because of the powder. The color was a little too dark, and
Yeah.
you put it under your eyes, didn't you?
But other than that, it looks almost identical, right?
I can't tell at all.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go through and talk about which ones we actually liked and didn't like.
Okay, this is my first time using the CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow. I'm like in love with this. The powder on this was amazing. I'm totally keeping
Really
this.
good.
It's mine.
Okay, so this is, I know it's gonna be like devastating for you because I know how much you love your Chanel. I totally love the LA Girl one more than the Chanel.
It's almost identical, you guys. I know,
I
it's
saw a
crazy.
huge difference in my skin before I
Yeah.
put like powder on there. The LA Girl one looked nicer on my skin
Yeah.
than the Chanel one.
I'm really having to rethink whether I'm going to keep spending $50 on
It's
Chanel
crazy.
foundation.
$10, guys. $10. And another thing is you couldn't tell the eyeshadow.
No,
It was the
eyeshadow
same.
was very similar.
Bronzers were the same.
Almost identical.
The blush was the same.
Yep.
I feel like the
Mascara for me,
was-
mascara was not the same. For
No.
me, nothing compares to the Hypnose Drama Mascara.
Yeah. Even though I couldn't even tell for you.
I know. I could tell on myself.
Yeah.
But maybe you can't tell on me. I can tell on you.
Mine
though.
is very drastic.
Yeah.
It's like a huge difference. And another thing I love is the NYX powder puff.
Yes, you guys, this was only like $3, and it's like $50 for this
Yeah,
Tom
and it's,
Ford
like,
lipstick,
such
and
a
it's
big
almost
difference.
identical in color and texture and everything.
Yeah, such a big difference.
So this
All
makes
right.
me really rethink going to the
some things that we spend a lot of
department
money on,
store.
right? Like I'm not gonna buy expensive eyeshadows
I know.
anymore. Anyways, okay guys, and foundation. Sorry, I'm like obsessed right now. To win the giveaway, make sure you leave a comment. Leave us some suggestions for upcoming challenges because we keep getting these from you guys and it's awesome.
Yeah.
And make sure you're subscribed to our channel if you want to win.
Ooh,
We'll see you next
guys.
time.